Hello. Hello. Oh, there we go. We finally got it working. Oh my god. All right. I'm just gonna close that. Thank you for letting me know. Oh, okay. I can hear myself. That's not what I need. Let me just. There we go. Wait, hopefully. Okay, so right now I'm just hearing myself. There we go. Yeah, so, okay, so I'm not sure what's... Hopefully YouTube won't have these issues. I apologize. Sorry, I post on Twitter beforehand. Here we go. Oh god, now it's making noises. Stop. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is... so now that's going to return fire 14 days in advance. So I'm just going to be plugging that into here, the month into the prefix, and then the day into... Oh wait, no, hold on. We want it we want it this way around. So the year... No. What am I doing? Alright, so we want the day, month, year, and that's going to return, you know, whatever value. So I'm just gonna pop this here like so, and then it's going to change the value into a string. Hopefully this will give me the desired effect that I'm going for. Oh my god. Yeah, so I've got that. We're gonna just do a quick check of this. So yay for game noises. Alright, we're gonna let it kill me quickly. Alright, so it is returning the correct date. I just need to change that so I just need to change that so it puts the dashes in between. So I'm gonna say so I'm kind of inclined to actually build a string for individual. Yeah, well that's good. That means I actually have audio like I thought I did. Yay! So I'm going to build individual strings for this, and then I'm going to suffix them with a space. Sorry, with a dash. And then I'm going to build a second set of strings using the strings. So, bam. And so let's repeat this process here. Oh, no, not the whole thing, just this majiggy. So, yep, that. And then, oh lordy. So that's gonna give our 3 strings. And then from there we can go build another string. Yay. So, fortunately, we don't really need to worry about any of this stuff. Oh wait, hold on. I could just make that an integer. That doesn't need to be anything fancy. So I'm going to pop that over down here. And then we're just going to build our original string that we just made, but now with this new data. Oh wait, hold on. We want to put the year last. Alright, so we do actually need to... Wait. We can just move this down here. And insert that as the day. Cool. Alright, so we are grabbing the year, the day first. We're grabbing the month next. And the year last. So it's starting to look a little bit like code spaghetti. I've tried to kind of sort it out in such a way that it makes sense to me or anyone who's just starting to look at this. So just to break down what I just talked about today, plus 14 days returns the year, month, and day. and we have arranged it so that it goes day slash year month slash year. So let's put that in and see what that looks like. But overall, I'm happy with it so far. Let's go. I am so caffeinated. Oh my god. I drink coffee like once every few months, so it is really working. Alright, so hit me. Twice or 3 times. Alright, cool. It's return the date. It's due for 14 days. There's a thing. And there's no discount. Fantastic. I'm overall satisfied with this. And yes, Miss Marie Thomas. I'm happy with that. I kind of want to put the invoice in the customer, kind of make it the same size, because I feel like they're different sizes. So customer, yep, so make that a 16, and they should hopefully, yeah, they sit on the same place now. Cool. And I'm pretty sure, cool, I'm gonna have to grab the multiplier from here, and we are now going to copy this whole thing and make those changes to the individual score values so that it doesn't give a different final score based on your scorecard regardless of your difficulty. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. So let's go over and start making those changes. Hold up. There's a get text somewhere. We gotta track that down. But yes, Super Squirrel, you are totally aware of everything all the time. Right, let's pop over to the get text and select that. Move that up because we don't really need that to be so far away. And I'm just gonna say get day. Get date. I'm gonna say get date. There we go. I mean, how who needs dates, right? Alright, so we're gonna grab this. I'm gonna call it candy score. Hopefully that will... I don't know if I can actually add receiving nodes to it. It doesn't look... Oh, I can grab an input. Alright, so... I am wondering whether I am able to gather the enemy type or the enemy points and actually use this same binding everywhere. So what I'm going to do is... Oh, no. So because the presentation of the information is different on every single line, I'm actually going to be going into... this parameter will not help. So in that case, that will not help. So I'm going to go candy corn score candy points. Candy corn. So candy corn points will return the value of said points. So that's what I'm going to do now. So we are going to be... I'm just wondering if I can just use the multiplier at this stage. I could just do the multiplier. Alright. We're about to learn a thing. So in this case, I'm going to be grabbing an integer. And we're going to call it multiplier, like we do in other places. Or in this case, no, multiplier. I Markiplier. So what I'm going to be doing is checking how I get an input with this, or where do I put it in order to utilize that input. So. My instinct is to go into the enemy blueprints and add it to the enemy parent as kind of like a death result. So that's the score calculator which happens during death. I think it's just inserted per enemy, which is fine. So what where am I going to put this? That's the interesting part. So from here, I'm going to be casting to the HUD. Or, yep, so we're going to get the HUD. And we're going to candy cane points. Okay, so I don't actually know how to call this, so time for a quick little Google, I reckon. So let's pop on over to Google and widget parameter maybe? Function parameter call. Unreal Engine 4. So I know that generally you can call functions, which is what we're doing inside the Unreal Designer. Swish, stop it. Sorry, she's bullying my other fish. So access public. Alright, so it looks like we're actually going to have to go in and pop on over here and call in editor. So when we go over and make that, we're going to... So what can we do as a part of this? It doesn't look like there's much we can do because it looks like it spawns the actor. Alright, so by looks of it, I can't do the same thing as I was doing before because if I show you, for example, the candy corn, where it gets the scoring? Yeah, where it gets the scoring from the enemy parent. Huh. Wait. Last chance, because my brain is not working. So the player... Because there's a way that you can actually cast... the set client. I know that I put something purple in here recently. If anyone has any memory of where I put it, that would be fantastic, but I guess not. Alright, so I'm overcomplicating a process that I don't need to, so I'm actually just going to remove this for now, and then talk to you guys about it later when I've found out what's going on. So in this case, cast to ship game mode, and game mode. And in this case, we are going to be grabbing the difficulty and switching on int again. Adding 3 pins. I mean, luckily after this, I could just copy and paste everything. So by default, we'll return 100. And then I can just edit the individual values as I need to. Return. I mean, sometimes I kind of wish my keyboard had autocorrect because from my point of view, I'm always just like, you know, you know what I mean? It's close enough, right? But you know, if someone added like autocorrect to keyboards, can you imagine how much more difficult work emails would be if you used your same, you know, keyboard profile for work as you did for like, I don't know, YouTube or your private messages with your partner or something. Oh my god. I cannot, like, I can just only imagine the number of like keyboard errors that would happen. Alright, cool. So I've got this, and it would switch based on this, and so that way, you know, the player can make those changes as they need. Yeah. So going on from there, that's the creamy fruit, I believe. Yep. Fruits and cream, creamy fruit. You guys know what I mean. They're the strawberries and cream. I just needed a shorter title to fit into places. Creamy fruit. I could call them value. Creamy fruit value works nicely. Let's open that up. That works. Alright, let's jump back into here and just paste essentially. But we're going to be changing those points to 100. Actually, you know what I just realized? I can probably just set a value of 100, so we're just gonna do a multiplier. What's my brain doing? So we're gonna go int times int, I think. Int times int. And I suppose I can do a private value, so a local variable, so it's not affected by anything else. So I'm just going to call that. So this is exactly why I wanted to grab the booleans from everywhere else, but like I said, doesn't really matter. I could just delete this for now. I will put that in there as a note for myself. Actually, might as well add a comment to it. Local variable or from enemy. Cool, that works. Yeah, that works. So from there we have a point system of... Why did that happen? So 200... I mean, I know why it happened is because the way that I input the code, it's actually starting from here, then going up there and going through here. So that's because the way it was input. But if I compile it, because it's going to organize everything for me, no, it's still doing the thing that was happening before. So it's based on my input. So, you know, that's another thing to consider if you're going to be doing some visual coding. So I'm going to grab this entire majiggy and pop it over onto here because it does the same thing practically. Bam, bam. Let's line that up all nicely and change the text to something that we can recognize. So get candy cane value. Can see. Candy cane value. I'm getting a little silly. I apologize for that, guys. Cool. Candy cane value. It does the exact same thing. And ooh, this one's gonna be fun. Yeah, because the bullets are meant to be hard to hit, so they're real point sources. Point mining. Get candy bullet value. Candy colored. Candy mullet. Can you imagine like a mullet made out of like candy fairy floss? Someone's probably done it. It's probably somewhere on the internet. You know what? I kind of want to see this now. Fairy floss mullet. Fairy floss mullet. Oh. I'm kind of disappointed because like it's fairy floss colored and a few mullets, but like I'm disappointed. How has someone not made like a hairpiece that's like... I don't want to talk about this anymore. I'm disappointed in humanity. Well, if anyone out there knows how to make candy things, that is your next goal in life. To make a mullet, a wearable mullet out of fairy floss. Yeah. I know how to word and stuff. There we go. So that's 100 points again. So I'm just going to grab that over and pop up. Well, I'm going to have to blur that out. Yeah. And I'm going to have to make those changes later. Yay. Yeah, so let's pop back on over. Hey, but now I know that that's a thing that pops up. So, you know, that's information. I'm making a thumbs up. Not that any of you can see that, but you know. So this is for our hard candy. So let's pop back in and make those changes. Hard candy value. Would you like the best value for your hard candy? So the reason that's only 50 is because it spawns for like a few more enemies, so you can actually you know, get some points out of that. Oh wait, hold up. Hold up. I think this one only gives you 50 points, so I'm actually going to go in and double check that, because vaguely remembering Hard candy. Oh wait, no, that's not where I want to go. It's fine, it won't break my game. Alright, let's go into here. What is going on? That's alright. So the point that returns to is a multiplier of 1, so that would cause, that would be a 50 or a 25. Let's check our enemy parent to confirm our... Yeah, okay, so that would be 25. So let's pop on over to the game status display, and for the hard shard we're going to create that binding and change those values. Bam! That's in there, and we're going to call it hard shard value, because, you know, let's stay consistent. Like, there is a certain level of tedium that comes with this, and like, I'm not upset about it, just it is tedious sometimes. I'm not gonna deny it. And so I kind of try to make this kind of stuff entertaining for you guys, because I care about your time and want this to be as fun for you as it is for me. So that's our hard candy shards, which break off, and little point mines. So I'm just gonna...
A few minutes later.
Almost forgot to unmute myself, oh my god. Oh no, we're having 0 kilobytes. Huh. I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. My internet health isn't the best. Yeah, sorry about that abrupt ending. I'm just... my internet just isn't agreeing with me. But next time I see you, it will be on YouTube. The setup will be practically the same. There'll just be more content and more fun for you guys. Alright, see you guys soon. I'm super excited. I hope you're excited with me. And let's make this transition happen. Woo! Thank you to Super Squirrel for dropping by today. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Hi guys, thanks for watching the video. I apologize if there was a sharp cut due to connection issues during the stream. There's a recommended video over there, previous video over here, and more fun stuff in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave some feedback, and feel appreciated. See you next time.